Hi, this is Robert Nicholson from LearningJack.com, and today we're going to talk about search engine optimization. I'm going to start by reading a definition. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the practice of tuning a web presence to acquire traffic through placement in organic search results. Now, SEO is not a precise science. It's more a collection of principles and techniques supplemented by trial and error. And the rules are constantly changing as the search engine algorithms evolve. So the goal of this course is to really understand the underlying ideas behind SEO. But before we get into that, I want to talk briefly about search engine advertising. Now, the search engines allow you to sign up for ads in the search results. And when a user clicks on one of your ads and visits your website, you pay the search engine company a small amount of money. That's why it's called pay-per-click or PPC advertising. It can be very effective, and a lot of my clients make heavy use of pay-per-click advertising. But it does have some downsides. It can be expensive. When you stop paying, your ads stop showing and your traffic stops. Unlike SEO, where once you've put the work into getting good placement in organic search results, you're going to tend to stay there over time. Neither is better than the other, and a lot of companies actually use both. But that's all I'm going to say about pay-per-click advertising. It's really a subject for another course. So for now, let's go back to SEO. Let's look at some actual search results. This is a Google search. During this course, I'll focus a lot on Google because it's the largest search engine, and the principles that apply to Google apply to the other search engines as well. But we will look at some other examples from time to time. Now, here in the Google search results, you see these kind of yellow indicators that tell you you're looking at paid ads at the top of the page, down the right-hand side of the page. These are all pay-per-click ads. Now we have a definition of mortgage insurance, the search term, and then below that, we actually have the organic or non-paid search results. So when we're working on SEO, this is really where we want to be. We want to get into these organic search results, preferably on the first page, because not too many people go to the second page of search results or the third page. Let's take a look at Bing. Bing also places paid ads at the top of the page and on the right-hand side, but that indicator is less obtrusive, less visible, so people may not realize that they're looking at paid ads. But again, the organic results begin below several ads. Looking at Yahoo, the ad indicator is even less obtrusive. They really kind of hide the fact that you're looking at paid ads. But same principle. Down below the ads, we see the organic results. Now, each of these searches was for the same term, mortgage insurance, but I want to show you a different type of search. Let's go back to Google and search for dermatologist. And when we do that, Google gets my location and it uses that information to show me local dermatologists. Now, these local search results also depend on SEO to get into these top placements. And in the case of local searches, it's really important. You really want to be one of the businesses that's listed right here up front. So we'll talk about that in more detail later. SEO is not the right tool for all businesses. Let's say that you have a local dermatologist or appliance repair shop. That's a perfect fit because people probably don't have a favorite appliance repair shop. They probably don't even know of any. When the washing machine breaks down, they go to Google or their favorite search engine and type washing machine repair. So it's really important to invest in SEO to make sure that your shop shows up in those search results. Another example, think about a Mexican restaurant. Now, I may be new to the area or an out-of-town visitor, and I want some Mexican food, so I go to my search engine and type Mexican restaurant. but not too many people do that. If you live in the area, it's more likely that you will visit a restaurant that your friends have recommended, that you've seen an ad for, maybe a place you've driven by. So search engine optimization is less important to this type of business. Now, suppose you're a brain surgeon. Search engine optimization probably doesn't matter a lot because this is really a referral-based business. People don't usually choose a brain surgeon by sitting down at their Google search engine. And finally, think about levitating salad bowls. There's no benefit because nobody is searching for a levitating salad bowl. And this sounds like a silly example, but it's really a problem that is faced by startups who are trying to create a new type of product or service. It's hard to get the word out because nobody is searching for it. And there are techniques that you can use to get the word out, but search engine optimization isn't a good fit for something that nobody searches for. Now, SEO is important to businesses that use the web. It's also important to understand if you are a web developer, because the technical and structural choices that you make when you're building a website can make SEO easier or harder, and we'll talk about that in this course. Web developers are often expected to be one-man shops, so if you are designing and building websites, your customers probably expect you to understand SEO. And finally, if you're an entrepreneurial web developer or an entrepreneurial business person and you're launching a business, you really need to understand the requirements for a successful web business using search engine optimization. But now I'm going to tell you a big secret. The big secret of SEO is that search engine companies want to show the best websites first. Because if they show you good websites, you're going to continue to use that search engine. And users want to visit good websites and possibly share them with their friends. So if you are designing your website for search engines, you're missing the point. If you build the best site you can, then the search engines want to show your site in search results, and users want to see your site and want to share it with their friends. So we're going to learn how to build the best websites for users and subsequently and consequently get SEO benefits. The last thing I'm going to talk about in this section is the 3 R's. When you are designing a website, you have to think about the search engine traffic that you want to get. You need to choose the right subjects. You need to know what people are searching for and what you want to tell them on your website. And once you've chosen the right subjects, you need to have relevant content, content that speaks to those subjects. Deliver the information that the users want in a way that search engines can understand. And you want to have a high rank. Now, the Google PageRank algorithm is a rough measure of your site's visibility on the web, based largely on the number and quality of sites that link to you. So, to get good search engine presence, you need to choose the right subjects, have relevant content on your site, and build your site's rank. And we're going to learn how to do those things in the next lesson.